Hello, my friend of karmic affinity. As night falls, the world outside begins to slow down. The noisy sounds of the streets fade away, and the social roles we have worn throughout the long day slowly drop off. This should be a time for rest, yet a paradox often occurs. Your body wants to lie still, but your mind refuses to stop. Unfinished conversations, uncompleted tasks, or the feeling that you haven't done well enough. WF. All these replay in your head, making sleep fitful and weary. My dear friend, the evening is not just a time for sleep. In the wisdom of Buddhism, it is a sacred moment for the soul to be gently illuminated, not to analyze or repair, but to be soothed. Welcome to Daily Dharma Light, a space of small lights. This light is not brilliant enough to make the day brighter, but it is just gentle enough to help your night descend more peacefully. Tonight, I want to gift you 5 reminders. Please do not view them as empty, positive affirmations. See them as anchors, helping you place your mind in the most peaceful spot before drifting into sleep. Reminder 1. Today is already complete. The first reminder, and the most important one for finding peace of mind tonight, is today is already complete. My dear friend, when we lay our backs down on the bed, our minds often have the habit of traveling back to the recent past. We torment ourselves with questions, starting with, if only, or I should have. If only I hadn't said that. I should have done better. We keep trying to edit a film that has already finished screening. But in the view of the Dharma, each day is a complete cycle of birth, dwelling, and cessation. When the sun sets, the cycle of today has ended. What has happened, whether good or bad, can no longer be changed. If you keep holding on, you are carrying an invisible burden into your sleep. Understand the word complete correctly. It does not mean everything was perfect or flawless. It means today has fulfilled its mission. You have made an effort. You have been present, and that is enough. Join me in a small visualization. Imagine you are gathering all the events, emotions, successes, and even the unfinished business of today. Gently place them into a beautiful memory box. Then, slowly close the lid. Listen to the gentle click as the latch is fastened, like the sound of a bell signaling that the meditation hour is over. Everything has been packed away. You no longer need to carry it. Feel your shoulders become light. Today has closed, and you are allowed to rest. Reminder 2. I am grateful for what today has given. Once the burden of the old day has been set down, your mind will have an empty space. Do not let anxiety fill it. Instead, light the second lamp. I am grateful for what today has given. My dear friend, gratitude does not mean you must try to sugarcoat a difficult day or deny your exhaustion. In the Buddhist view, gratitude is a way of seeing. It is the ability to see the silent support the universe provides you in every moment, even when things do not go as planned. The human mind often operates on a mechanism of lack. It always demands more, always looking at what is not yet there. This very craving makes our minds restless. But when you give rise to gratitude, your mind stops and smiles. Look back at today. Perhaps you had a hot meal to nourish your body. Perhaps you had a rare, quiet moment to breathe. Or simplest of all, your heart is still beating rhythmically, maintaining this miraculous life. These are all priceless gifts. Tonight, before closing your eyes, I invite you to practice a small ritual. Find just one or two small things that you appreciate from today. Name them, and whisper a word of thanks. When you drift into sleep with a heart full of gratitude, you will find yourself wealthy and absolutely safe in the arms of life. Reminder 3. I forgive myself and others. After filling your heart with gratitude, we need to take a deeper step of purification, which is detoxifying our emotions. The third reminder, the reminder of freedom, I forgive myself and others. My dear friend, perhaps the greatest barrier separating us from a peaceful sleep is not external noise, but the silent screams of resentment and self-torment within. We often carry hot coals of anger to bed, clutching them tightly with the intent of punishing others or punishing ourselves. But the Buddha taught that when you hold a hot coal to throw at someone else, your own hand is the first to be burned. Unforgiveness is the poison we drink ourselves every night while expecting others to suffer. Tonight, put that coal down. And the first person you need to forgive, most importantly, is yourself. Understand that you are a human being on a journey of learning, not a perfect saint. No one can maintain perfect mindfulness for 24 hours. The mistakes and moments of weakness from today do not define your value. The fact that you realize you were wrong is, in itself, a step of spiritual progress. Gently tell yourself, I did the best I could within my ability and awareness at that time. Next, open your heart to forgive those who have upset you. Forgiveness here does not mean you agree with their wrong actions, but that you refuse to continue carrying their burden in your mind. Through the lens of the Dharma, they are also just people struggling in their own ignorance and suffering. When you give rise to the intention of forgiveness, you are cutting the chain of suffering that binds you to them. Right now, you do not need to force every unpleasant emotion to disappear immediately. Just relax your body and whisper a gentle prayer. I forgive, so that I may be at peace. When the heart is no longer entangled, sleep will come naturally like a cool stream. Reminder 4. Today, I have practiced to the best of my ability. Now that the burden of the past has been set down, the fourth reminder arrives to soothe the harsh judgment we often reserve for ourselves. Today I have practiced to the best of my ability. My dear friend, when night falls, an inner voice often says, I didn't do enough. I should have been more patient. Why did I get so angry? We compare ourselves to some perfect ideal and hurt ourselves. But in the wisdom of Buddhism, diligent effort does not require flawless perfection. Life only asks of you sincerity. Look at the small moments in the day that you might have overlooked. The time you held back a sharp word, the time you remembered to return to your breath during stress, or the time you realized you were reacting. These are all precious moments of practice. Imagine your soul is like a toddler learning to walk. That child will fall many times. But the fall is not failure. The act of standing up to keep going is the progress. We never scold a child for falling. So why are you so strict with yourself? Tonight, be content with your own sincerity. Smile and say, I have done the best within my ability and awareness today. That gentle recognition is the softest pillow to rest your head on and allow yourself to rest completely. Reminder 5. Everything changes, and that is okay. Once the mind is dwelling in self-acceptance, let us expand our vision to embrace another great truth, helping to completely release anxiety about tomorrow. The fifth reminder is, everything changes, and that is completely okay. My dear friend, our mental suffering often comes from attachment. When joyful, we want to keep the joy forever. When sad, we fear the sadness will last eternally. We want to freeze the flow of life. But the true nature of the universe is impermanence. Nothing stands still. Your emotions, your circumstances, all are flowing like clouds in the sky or the turning of the four seasons. Look at your current anxiety or exhaustion. They are no exception. They come, and then they go. Tomorrow, everything will be different. When you understand and accept this change, you will no longer need to strain yourself to control the future. Tonight, practice the mindset of a sky. The sky does not cling to white clouds, nor does it chase away black clouds. It is simply the vast space that allows everything to pass through. Say to the remaining thoughts, I see you, and I allow you to flow away. You do not need to solve all the world's problems right now. Trust in the natural flow and let impermanence gently lead you into a peaceful sleep. My dear friend, these 5 reminders are not distant mantras, but small and warm sparks of light to soothe your soul whenever night falls. Please do not put pressure on yourself to change immediately. Just spend a little quiet time each night returning to these thoughts, and your mind will gradually relearn the art of true rest. Now, the door of the old day is completely closed. The gentle darkness has been allowed to come to embrace and protect you. And most importantly, you are allowed to rest. Relax your entire body, let all thoughts drift away, and sink into a peaceful sleep. Good night.